watching. So we got a couple parts in today for the DS. Don't mind the mess behind me. I rearranged a little thing for the video, but we got a new case saver from Troy Barker of Kwiksaw Racing. As you guys know, parts are incredibly slim for the DS450 as it is. Why, I'm not too sure, but gotta have a case saver, definitely. Last thing you want to do is repair cases or replace them because they're not cheap for these. And we also got some goodies from BCS Power Sports. We got a front sprocket retainer. So let me go ahead and switch the view up a little bit here, and we'll do an unboxing and hopefully go ahead and get this stuff installed. Alright guys, so here in front of us we have our Kwiksaw case saver and our BCS front sprocket retainer. So let's go ahead and unbox. Oh, what we got in there? So there it is. Very nicely made. Very solid. Pretty sure this is a like a high density polycarbonate material or something. Maybe the UHMW type material. Probably do a little more digging into it, but it's definitely nicely made, to say the least. A couple little blemishes, but that's not, it's expected. Kwiksaw logo. Awesome. But shout out to Troy Barker from Kwiksaw for that. I appreciate that. If you guys need any case savers for your DS450, I definitely recommend getting some from him. Shipping was super fast. And our BCS. Anything else in there? Nope. So a little bigger of a package than what's needed for this little thing here. But let's go ahead and crack it open. Always cut away from you. Super wrapped. Alright, let's see. Fight this thing to get it out. So there you have it. A little billet piece, a little trick piece. Simple yet effective. So this is definitely a lot better than the setup that comes factory from Can-Am. This will definitely hold in your front sprocket better, especially in racing applications. You know, your countershaft sprocket takes a lot of abuse. It's where a lot of the stress comes out. This should do the trick. Probably add a little bit of blue thread lock too, just to be safe. We also got some swag. Set this aside. So we also got some swag from Troy. Appreciate that, Troy. Apologize in advance, my other tripod's broke, so I have to use a mini. It's kind of hard here. So right off the bat, oh, Kwiksaw snapback, right? Definitely be sure to rock that. Some Kwiksaw decals. That's what I like to see. Definitely put a couple of those around the work area and maybe the DS itself. It's a decent quality hat, Otto. My Blood Racing Lubricants hat is in fact a Otto, so definitely a good brand. Nice, appreciate that. And I do believe we have a shirt in here. Yes, we do. Let's check it out. We all like shirts here. Probably should have put this on first. Oh, okay. Custom ink doing the t-shirts. That's what's up. Kwiksaw logo. Nice. Oh, there it is on the back too. So we see Kwiksaw's logo on the back. Nice, nice. Definitely a nice material. Nice and soft. Feels breathable. Appreciate that, Troy. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up. And we'll go ahead and do probably do a video of installation of the parts. So stick around. As we are back in our Kwiksaw gear, of course. Got the DS set and ready to go. Show you guys a little before picture. That's with the stock setup. And we got our BCS sprocket guard, or sprocket retainer, pardon me, and our Kwiksaw case saver. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Should only take about, I'd say 15 minutes if I had to guess. It's pretty easy. All you really got to do is take the old sprocket cover, sprocket guard off, and then do a couple things underneath, and that should be it. So, like I said, let's go ahead and... Alright guys, so this is pretty much just a voiceover. I couldn't figure out how to get the music done, but we're pretty much taking everything off, and I ran into a bit of an issue with the factory hardware from the original case saver. So I had to stop the time lapse, a little hiccup. So I'll show you what's going on here. So the factory bolts are way too long to use since we're not utilizing the sprocket cover, and the sprocket cover kind of makes up for the thickness in these. So I had to run over to the store and grab some shorter Allens, which turned out perfectly. So let's go ahead and get back to the time lapse and get this thing back together, and we'll get her going. Here we are back at it, getting it all back together, and here's the product. Alright guys, we're all wrapped up. Let's check it out. So there it is. Definitely a lot better. Pretty sure this wire that was originally attached is either for a solenoid or the neutral safety. It runs down right under here. But regardless, a lot better setup, a lot more reliable, stronger. Can't thank Troy enough. Like I said, super fast shipping, great guy to work with, real easy, and definitely affordable. So the only thing left to do is take some of these awesome Kwiksaw decals, and we'll either put some on the rear wing of the fender here or right above the hips on the plastics. Regardless, we're going to represent as if we aren't already. But again, thank you, Troy. Appreciate the time you took to get me taken care of. And like I said, guys, look him up on Facebook, Troy Barker. Definitely a great guy to work with. Or you could look up the Kwiksaw Racing Facebook page and get you one this way too. He's got a prototype he's working on now. It's an ultralight version of this. Not too much detail on it at the moment. But you can pick one up 20 shipped, do some rigorous testing on it, and see how she fares. I'm going to grab one myself. Get ready, Troy. But yeah, it's definitely a work in progress, but we're going to get her taken care of. We are going to get her nasty. Don't mind the switch. So just tracking some wires, because I'm gonna get rid of the factory setup, and we're gonna add in a tether and a start button for it instead. A lot cleaner look. Got some Renthal hand guards. They should be here today sometime. So as soon as they get in, maybe we'll do a video on those too. I'm going to include some before and after pictures of the factory sprocket cover and guard compared to Troy's setup. I do have the original too. I may put some of my old stuff up for sale if any of you guys are interested, but there's the original saver and cover. You guys can't really see in there, but I got the factory tail light and headlights too, still all intact, because I don't plan on running them. So, but other than that, stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. So here's the factory setup. It's good for what it is, but there's always room for improvement, as you all know. And here's the new and improved setup. Can't wait to test it out, and appreciate all you guys for watching.